Okay, fucking Toto face right here thinks he can make this car around the block.
I fixed it.
So we took a car in on trade, right? A 2004 Hyundai Elantra TMU, right? This is a caca booey bad motor. You got to pull the Ford up, right? So Captain Incredible calls the junkyard and says, yo, it runs and drives. I'm going to bring it to you. They're going to give us $1,000. I said, bro, you're not going to make it. You're not going to make it. You want to bet? He said, Steve, you're going to make it?
Heck yeah.
So he's going to drive it around the block. I don't even think he's going to make it around the block. Let's see. I can't believe it turned on. I can't believe it turned on, but we're going to see. All right, so if you drive it around the block, I'll give you $100.
All right, cash money.
Cash money, let's go.
All right, but listen, I fixed this with my 2 hands.
All right, he said he fixed it. He thinks it'll make it to the junkyard. The junkyard's about 3 miles away. We're going to see Captain Incredible pull off.
Yo, I can drive it to the junkyard in South Orlando an hour away.
Let's see. You already see he's got a blown head gasket, all the white smoke. Let's see. Let's see how far he fucking can make it. Let's go. There he goes. He's going. Oh shit, he made it. Look, ah! Here he come, here he come. Look, this motherfucker. I can't believe it. It runs. He made it.